Yeah. It reminds me of boat ramp. Well, I figured. Yeah. It clanked. Yeah, I was just gonna try it for a minute. I could get up it. Oh, RS1's got to come now.
Was that the block I heard what I thought it was?
Yeah.
This reminds me of Little Mule.
Yeah, pretty much. Little mule action. Back up, back up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. You need to, hey, put your tire up. Yeah, your rear right tire needs to be right there. You need to kind of come this way and go up. No, your rear right tire needs to be there, but you just boom. There you go. Kind of, something like that. Now back up a little bit, back up. Ah! Go. There you go. Just like that. Nah. You're stuck. Hold on, stop. You're stuck on that rock under your left tire. You're gonna need to get the front this way. That way to the right. Climb in between the two rocks. About there, stop, and you, there you go, perfect, on the money. Wait, there you go. Hey, you can try to send her straight now if you want to, close to that tree. See if that works. Right? Yeah, close to that tree. Back up, back up. Bump it! Hey, you're stuck in there. Now back up a little bit. Turn the right, turn the right, turn to the right. Back up a little bit. Now left that way. There was Adam coming up, climbing it. Let's see who's next. Rick is next. Think you can do it, Rick? Rick. Oh yeah, no.
Where did he go?
You need to kind of put, listen, your rear right tire kind of needs to be here climbing that way.
So like straight up.
Yeah, come on. Back up a little bit, back up a little bit. Back up a little more.
I'm not going to.
Back up a little more. A little more, back up. About there. Hey, take it easy, just come with some speed and then just floor it. All right, come on. There you go. No, you need to be this way. There you go. Now we're cooking. Now, there you go. Hold on, Rick. Back up a little bit. You're a little sideways in the back. You need to get your rear tire this way a little more. There you go. Yep. You almost up it, man. God, Lord.
Do I?
Almost up it. Almost. I mean, you almost up, dude. There you go, there you go. It's grabbing, it's gripping. There you go, now. Serious, there you go. You almost up, dude. Hold on. All right, too much. There you go.
What's hitting on that side?
The rock, the ledge, the first ledge.
Trailing arm hit?
No. You jumping, you coming up, and it's just, it's bumping on the rear and the front tire. It's the wheelbase.
Did it come?
Hey, trying to climb that side in there, like come all the way to the left and see almost close to the tree.
I'll try.
That will be the best option. That suspension, man, works really good.
Yeah, it does.
I'm impressed. Perfect, on the money. Oh, you good? It's a rock. It's a rock. Hey, back up a little more. Back up a little bit,
You gotta remember, when you tell me to back up and I give the gas, it ain't
not just let it roll back a little more. Let it roll back.
wouldn't roll off anymore.
All right, stop. Now there is a bumpy and bumpy. You got a rock in here. You got about 1.5 feet before you hit the rock. It's gonna throw you back. Come on. Trailing arm on this side. There you go. There you go. There you go. Back up a little bit. Back up.
How back up?
Back up.
Right there? Yeah.
That's your line, man. That's your line.
Yeah, it's trailing.
Again. Yeah, it's in trailing arm. Come on. A little back some more. All right. Now, low, center diff lock, and dang it. You almost up it, dude.
It's slick. It is stupid slick.
Question number 1, how much are you got in your tire? 9. Your trailing arm is firmly touching there when he goes to press down. Up it. Every wheel. Right there. Back up just a little. I mean, decent. Don't back up too much. Stop now.
Oh,
Okay, hold on. Let me
your rock, that big rock's underneath the front end.
stop.
Which way do I turn?
Turn right, I think.
Yeah, hey, once you get up, don't let off until you get up by the tree.
Okay. Same way, same deal. The only difference.
Yeah, just go straight until you hit the tree.
Take it right and just send the leak. Make it leak. One more, back up.
Right there.
All right, that's good. From there.
The tires just ain't gonna fly.
Well, they're gonna need to get warm sometimes.
They need to get warm? Is that what I heard?
Back up. From there, you should be up and down. Almost got it. Come on back.
Yeah, it slid you over and the body hit the.
Come on, man. You get me all pumping here. Come on, come on.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Go. Rick. Bumper.
They just not biting.
Alright, come on back a little more. Alright, that's it. From there, put the steering wheel straight.
Yeah. That rock.
No, hold on. You up here already. Hold on.
Right there.
Dude, we got a tree. It's this rock when it gets to the ground. You bottom out in here. No, you don't bottom out. It's the rock how it is.
Which way do I need to turn?
What about if I tried? The problem is your rock is here. You touching the rock.
So no matter where I go, I'm not going to go forward.
Either way you turn, you're gonna be in that rock.
Come on.
It's coming, it's coming. Oh! Oh!
There you go. Woo!
Woohoo!
Hit something. Yeah.
It's that rock right here.
Which way? You gotta need to hit it straight, kind of.
Yeah, just get as close as you can to that tree.
Keep doing the same. There you go. Look at that. Woo!
Hey, back up and see if you can go that way some more. Right there.
There you go. Come on.
Hey, you might could come up right here.
Up. You get it close. Attaboy, good job. Come on back a little. Go. Now, listen to me. Go forward. Stop.
Yeah, back up. Yeah, turn all the way that way. Right there. All right.
Right there. Get on the money. Woo!
Come, hey, yeah, come. Hey, Rick.
Hold on. We're moving through here.
He's on a big rock right there. He's on a big rock.
Oh, let me see what's going on. Oh, yeah. Stop.
Yeah, your best line will probably be coming around.
Straight. Don't back up too much.
I can't go forward. I have to back up.
There you go.
Heck yeah, Rick.
Look at that.
Heck yeah.
Look, Joe, you don't have to beat on it like I did. Oh, shit. Man down.
Oh, that one hurt.
You all right?
Oh yeah. He's got my knee.
Look up. Come up on that side of it. Can't come over.
Rick's going home.
I am. See how easy he came up there?
Yeah.
I don't have reverse.
Need to adjust that shift cable.
Press or something.
Hey, you need to be over on that side. You ain't gonna get over that rock. I wouldn't back up too much.
Hey, my shifter's not working. That's on park.
Hey, back off of it. Hey, you're going to back off.
You're on the trailing arm.
Yeah, when he adjusted it earlier.
Which way?
Need to come this way. Alright, back up. Back up. Right there. Well, Lucho made it up. Rick, how do you feel about the cheater tires?
Well, if you ever wanted a video that'll demonstrate how much better a tire is than the other, you've seen how
Yeah.
I struggled and how both of y'all just crawled it.
Yeah. Rockzilla's for the win.
It is. Yep. Yo,
Hold on. Which way you gonna go, Paul?
that's a great question.
That way is probably gonna be easier. I can go over there and, well, I say. Hey, y'all realize the women gotta walk up now.
If he hangs it right here, he's got it.
Yeah.
And with his being 64 inches wide, that's it. It's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Tree. Tree. All right. You got to bump it a little bit.
Adam's famous words, bump it.
Yeah. Hey.
Just like that. You got to back up something, you just bottomed out. You go to the right a little bit, like pull back it up.
Come on. Keep going back. Hey. Well, hey.
Now then, turn that way a little. Oh, stop. Now. There you go.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, I knew once you got your left tire up on that rock and you lifted the whole machine up, you would come up. So, all right, whoa. All the way this way. Yeah, them things